everyone, welcome back to my channel Vashi Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful handmade gift envelope with different paper and a simple craft material. So it's easy to make, looks elegant and is perfect for gifting money, cards on any occasion. So let's get started. I hope you enjoyed making this envelope with me. So for the next 7 days, I'll be sharing a different envelope design every day. Subscribe my channel so you don't miss any of tutorial. So then see you in the next video. Bye bye.